sometimes.
Yes, yes.
So when you do ng build, so how can we pass the directory dist path? Do you know?
Uh, like I know we have the functionality there. We've specified the like main .ts file there, the directory, and when we ever perform ng
No, I'm asking
ng
you,
start.
I'm asking
Yes, yes.
when you do ng build, so first of all, tell me
Okay.
what's different between ng build and ng serve.
ng build is ahead of time. Like it, we are using it for the uh, uh, to make our front end ready for the like deployment and all those for all. Uh, to for that we use ng build, and ng serve is like the for the development purpose. For the production purpose we use ng build, and for the development purpose we use ng serve. Like it manipulate the DOM on the like the real time. With the ng build, it doesn't reload the whole DOM. It will what I'm able to recall, it will like make those files compact, and mm, that's I guess.
What it does then make, it will make the compact files and where it will put.
It make the compact files, and then we like deploy them so that it will compact these files for the like for the deployment for the production purpose, so that they will reload faster. But for with the ng serve, the DOM reloads whenever we are restarting the application, and that takes more time. So that is for the development purpose, so that we are able to see the changes on a real time.
Yep, that I got that, but I'm asking you what does ng build? I know that it will create a bundle files for you, correct? But where
Yes,
it
yes.
will put that files? What will happen when you do ng build? What does it? That
It
minified
it
file,
makes a dist file.
okay, and where that configuration happens?
Sorry, like I'm not able to
Okay.
recall.
Yep. So over there, output directory path is there, output path. Okay. So you can give
Okay,
your name as well over there. You can remove dist and you can give your name. So it will create that folder over there, and whatever
okay,
required minified files, it will create it, polyfills, main.ts, style sets, whatever you
okay,
are using, images, all. It will create that dist
okay,
for there and it will put index file over there. Okay. And that
okay,
deployment version of that folder, it will be deployed to the production. Okay.
okay,
Okay. So one thing for you to check. So suppose you have multiple environments, dev environments,
okay,
UAT environments, and production environment. Okay. And
okay,
each environment will be having the different URL. Suppose you have www.dev.com, www.uat.com,
okay,
and www.com only. Suppose in the prod we don't pass the
okay,
UAT environments and all. Okay. So
okay.
you can try this later. So how can we do that environment specific configuration? So just check it how to do this.
Environment specific
Yeah.
configurations.
Yep.
Okay. With the interceptors? Mm,
No. What you will do in interceptor for environments? There is one file.
yeah.
Might be missing that.
Environment.ts file.
Okay. So have you used that file somewhere?
Like we are using it only for the production in my project.
Okay. Okay. So you don't have that dev environment, UAT environment in your project?
No, no,
Oh,
no,
okay.
no.
Okay. So there we have to specify the configurations, and according to that, you have to change in your angular.json file. Okay, so once you trigger
Okay,
your environment build, it will be taking the configurations from the your angular.json file. There you have to replace your file with a specific environment.
we can like. Okay, we have to give it like there, like whenever we are performing ng build, then which production environment should it use?
Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Correct. Okay. So in package.json, we have dependencies and dev dependencies. So do you know what
Yes.
difference between both?
Dependencies. Dependencies are the like the external files, external libraries which we are using in our project, and the dev dependencies like the for those dependencies to run, like which dependencies we need.
Okay.
No,
So
no, actually they are in
RxJS.
package log.
No. Read about this because if you are using the RxJS as
Can you please repeat this question, the
yep. So
last
what is
one?
difference between dependencies and dev dependencies in package.json?
Okay, dependencies and dev depend. Okay.
Yep. Okay. So now I'm talking about interceptor. So what is the use of interceptor?
Like interceptor, we can use interceptors for manipulating our requests to the
So
like
you
the
did
server which we
anything in the interceptor?
like I handled one, I guess, 404 error in the interceptor.
Okay.
Like whenever I'm logging in, that is going to the interceptor, and if I'm having a 404 error, then I like specified some message there, like returning some message from there. Uh, that's what I did in my project.
Okay. Okay. So okay. So how many ways we can bind our data to the DOM?
We have in property binding one. Uh, then we have a event binding and interpolation. And then we have one two-way binding, which is like mixture of property binding and event binding.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So I think I have covered too many questions in the
Yeah.
rapid fire. So do you have any question now for me?
Yeah, first of all, I'm waiting for the feedback. Like tomorrow is my interview, and I am little bit nervous. Like, this is my first time I am like trying to change the job, and I hardly get a call like after 2 3 months.
Okay.
So tomorrow is an interview, and I am little nervous. Like what I did in my organization, I built the whole modules from front end, back end, and database also. But for the interview preparation, like those questions, they are like little hard. Like I can explore things on internet and build those modules. I built many modules in my application, but the confidence for the interview is little low.
Because you have not given many interviews, so that is why. So once you give
Yes.
5 6 interviews, then you will be bit relaxed about interview. So
So
you know the
what's
concept,
like the
but
fee?
read about in the depth because you know the concept, like the way resetting the form. So this is the very simple question, correct? Then patch
Okay.
value, set value. If you are working on the module, so you will be having one of the form in your module, correct? You should be
Yes,
using
yes.
patch value or set value somewhere, correct?
Like we are using the Angular material forms, so
Still, you will
the
create a
mat
new,
had
correct?
yeah, yeah.
You-
No, yes, yes.
Then you said that observable you are using, but you confused to how to perform error handling for observable, correct?
Yes, yes.
Then
Yeah.
zone.js, this is an small example of it. Another. Then
So
directives. What is the component directive, custom directives, correct? One more thing
Yes.
regarding packet.json. This is very common question maybe. Dependencies and div dependencies. That
Okay.
environment configuration is that is fine. Just I ask you to just to understand this kind of question can be asked. At least whatever question I ask you today, just go through your project and check what you have been doing with that. So it will help you.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let me ping the questions to you in the chat so you can copy this. So it will be helpful for you. What question I asked?
Yeah.
Almost, I think I asked you 39, 12, 20 question almost for Angular.
So, and do you think I will able to crack?
I think you need to do some preparation more.
Okay.
You have to give at least 3 to 5 interviews and whatever. See, the way I given you the questions, so note down your questions after your interview finished. Okay. Your
Okay.
second interview, you will be getting a second interview tomorrow, correct? So once you've done that interview, note
Yeah.
down all the questions, whatever he asked you. Okay. And the next
Okay.
time you will go for the next interview, read about those questions as well and question which I given to you now. So you'll be having the 40 questions list at least, correct? So at
Yeah.
least you will be having
Yes. Yes.
40 questions, so you can give the answer for 40 questions properly. Then some interview will
Okay.
ask you 10 new questions. Okay, so add those 10 questions to
Okay.
your list. So you'll be having 50 question list. So in this way, you can prepare and you can create your own answers. So it will
Okay.
be easy to explain you next time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, like I haven't gave the interview like the for this job also I just came for the internship and I got the job. So
Oh, yeah, that
interview I like
happens
in
when
a
you first time switch. That happens, but that's fine.
yeah.
You are explaining at least in the better way, so that is fine. You need to just prepare for all the questions. That's it.
Yeah, I think the depth is missing. So
Yep.
okay.
Okay, then if you need any more help, please ping me on Instagram. So can help you over there as well if you need anything urgent.
Okay. On the same page, right?
Yeah, yeah. You can find the link in the channels or you can find link
Okay.
in the videos, any videos.
Okay. I think we will keep on meeting. I I
Okay.
found it very helpful, your platform actually.
Yep.
I was watching the mock interviews 2, 3 days back.
Okay. You can go through those videos
Mm.
as well. So you can have a question list and you can practice from those
Yeah,
videos.
yeah. Yeah, today, like today, I planned like after giving this interview, I will go through those mock interviews and
Correct.
till the evening, maybe I will able to crack tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then please let me know if you need any
Thank,
more later.
yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for your time.